In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a trade on BloFin. Now to do this, first you want to sign into your account, and then over here on the dashboard, you want to go to the top and you want to select what you want to trade. So you could go to spot over here, you have futures and stuff like that. I'm going to go and show you how to do this on the demo account, but it's going to be the same thing if you are trading on a spot account or futures or whatever. So let me show you. If you go to spot here and then click on spot, it's going to take you to this place over here. As you can see, it looks like that. That's your kind of trading dashboard and platform. But if I go to my demo account, you'll see it's going to be pretty much the same way. Okay, there we go. So no matter what you are trading, I'm going to show you how to do this. It's going to be the same way. So to place a trade, of course, you must have some funds on your account. If you want to know how to fund your account, how to deposit or buy or whatever, I do have separate videos teaching you on how to do this. And then from here, to actually place a trade, you first want to select what you want to trade. So if I go to the top left here and click on this, and I'm going to go to spot here, and we're going to just pick, for example, Solana USDT here for this example, okay? So as you can see, it's going to load in that specific asset, and now from here on the right, you can see the trade tab. Click on the trade tab, and you can then go and click on buy or sell, depending what you want to achieve, and then from here you have limit, market, or any of these other orders which you can place. I'm going to go with a limit order right now, for example, and of course you can do whichever one you want. And I'm going to leave the price as it is right here. I'm going to actually make it, for example, let's just do a 77.7. There we go. You can see kind of the limit over here popping up on my chart. You can do the amount. I'm going to do a 3 Solana. You can see your total down here in USDT, and then you can add a take profit or stop loss as well if you want to, and then just click on either buy or sell depending on which side you are going to. You'll have to confirm your order, and that's essentially how to place a trade on BloFin, okay? You could also do the same thing and trade over here from the chart directly, so you can just go ahead and enter in the amount of whatever asset you are trading, for example 2, and you can go and hit the buy button and confirm it, or the sell button and confirm it, and that's kind of another way to actually quickly trade from the chart as well. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.